Okay, this is out of business. So, this is your boss. Yeah, I'm sure, but I don't know either. So, that bear is stealing my girlfriend. Don't you? No, I didn't mean. I'm sorry. That's okay. Let's get back to business. It's very sure if inappropriate levels respect. You can step out of line. I don't know. Frankie. Allie. Polly. Damn it. Yeah, you don't you ever do that again to me. Jeez. This is the weirdest things ever. Don't you? Yeah, that was the worst day ever. Yeah. So, this called an egg bomb. What's an egg bomb? It's like you can hold the egg and you will be explode. If the egg bomb blows off, I success to leave town. If you don't pull it off, I leave town. Okay. Let's get back to work. Okay.